When you download Morphic, it will show up in your downloads file. So you can click downloads and then double click the icon, accept the terms, and click install. It will ask you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. This basically means, do you allow the installer to install Morphic on your computer? And you say yes. And it is done. You will see the Morphic icon will show up on your desktop, which you can use to launch Morphic. Morphic will launch automatically after you install it. And you can see the little icon down here. You can point to any item on here to learn about what it's about. This will give you, clicking on the Morphic icon here, will give you the ability to see additional options. You can show and hide Morphic by just clicking on the little Morphic icon in the tray. You can also hide it by clicking on the X, and you can show it by clicking on the desktop icon. If you don't want the desktop icon, you can simply throw it away, and you can use the icon here to show and hide Morphic.